If you found this video, you're looking for more information about your case pending in FinDERN. If you found this video, you or someone you know has been charged with driving while your license was suspended or driving with a suspended registration. I know how to help you with this case. I've helped thousands of people over the last 35 years in defense of driving while suspended. Ordinarily, that can carry a mandatory loss of driving privilege and, under some circumstances, mandatory jail. There are high fines and surcharges associated with this, imposed both by the state of New Jersey as well as in the form of higher insurance premiums you would be facing. Call me so I can explain to you how I can help you with this serious violation, to either avoid a loss of license, avoid a conviction for this offense entirely, avoid certain mandatory jail or the manner that you would be serving the jail. Give me a call. I look forward to helping you. I'm Richard R. Uslan. For over 30 years, providing statewide services for people charged with crimes, DWI, and all municipal court offenses. For more information, visit my website, indicated on this video, or speak to another experienced, reputable, and dedicated attorney.